Today's video is about the post-processing system of MRI of cochlea, an essential step for accurate evaluation of inner ear anatomy and pathology. Although cochlear imaging is performed using high-resolution sequences, proper post-processing is crucial to reach an accurate diagnosis. Cochlear Imaging Overview. The cochlea is a spiral-shaped structure of the inner ear responsible for hearing. MRI is used to evaluate the cochlea in conditions such as sensory neural hearing loss, congenital anomalies, and vestibulocochlear nerve pathology. High-resolution T2 weighted sequences such as 3D Drive, CISS, or Fiesta are commonly used for detailed visualization. Data loading and preparation. Post-processing begins by loading the raw MRI data into the workstation. Thin slice images around 0.5 to 1 millimeter should be selected. Carefully check for motion artifacts. Ensure proper orientation, usually in the axial plane. This step is critical as incorrect data selection can affect the entire analysis. Multiplanar reconstruction, MPR. MPR is the core technique for cochlear analysis. Images are reconstructed in axial, coronal, and sagittal planes. The cochlea and internal auditory canal are clearly visualized. Oblique planes can be used to better demonstrate cochlear turns. This stage allows detailed anatomical evaluation. Curved planar reconstruction, CPR. Due to the spiral nature of the cochlea, CPR is highly useful. The reconstruction follows the natural spiral course of the cochlea. It allows visualization of the entire cochlear duct in a single view. Subtle abnormalities become easier to detect. This is an advanced but highly effective technique. 3D volume rendering. 3D reconstruction enhances visualization further. Volume rendering techniques are applied. Inner ear structures become more distinguishable. It is especially helpful for surgical planning, such as cochlear implantation. Both radiologists and surgeons benefit from this view. Measurement and analysis. Measurement is an important part of post-processing. Cochlear size and morphology are evaluated. The integrity of the nerve is assessed. Comparison between both sides is performed. These analyses support accurate diagnoses. Image export and reporting. Finally, processed images are prepared for reporting. Key images are selected and exported. Proper labeling is ensured. They are included in the radiology report. Professional reporting ensures better clinical decision-making. Conclusion. This was a complete overview of the MRI of cochlea post-processing system. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and follow. Thank you for watching.